Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Ezekiel here, and just a quick video on how to update Capcut, or Ying as its original name in Chinese. So all you guys have to do is open up Capcut, and if you haven't already installed this new update, this box should appear. Click on this blue box and let it download. Afterwards, another box should appear, which means restart, and you guys click on it and the program will be restarted with new effects, new transitions, and new filters. I also want to take a few seconds to say that after this update, you guys should have Keyframe installed, and if you don't or you're having any trouble, get to me and message me. I will try to help you in any way that I can. And there's not really much of a change in the interface. There are a few new options, and I will try to get over them in the next few videos. But for now, that's it. If you guys have any other doubts or anything else you want to say, leave it in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Peace out, guys.